So guys, my BMW 2006 that has LED brake lights. This is the 750 Li, and when I was running the car, always the brake light was on, but just the left side, not the right side. Like just one at the time. Like when you turn off the car, this light is still on, and the right side it was off. So what I did, first thing I ordered new light because I thought this computer here was defect. So I found it on eBay for real cheap price. I'm still working on this car, that's why it's a mess in here. But then I thought this was what was wrong, so I found this unit for real cheap money, so I got it, and then I installed it, and the light's still on, the brake light, when the car was turned off, and it was just the left side. So then someone posted about it, a switch that goes right here. I ordered on eBay also a switch for $18, and I replaced, and it's still when the car was turned off, the left side brake light was still on. So this wasn't the problem. So right now I have this to pretending that someone is braking the car. So this is the part that I ordered on eBay, and that's the new one that's inside there now. So right now the light on this side, the brake light, and this side is on because I have that metal holding up the brake pedal. So I'm gonna remove. And they're gonna go off both at the same time, as they should do. So I'm gonna show you what I did. Right here, this light was the one that giving me the problem, so I'm gonna show you how I came up with the solution that helps fix this problem. So on this connection, as you can see, there's a couple numbers in here, 1 to 4, like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the number 4 represents the brake light. And I have my electrical test here, and each time that I was testing, even when the brake pedal wasn't pressed, like I test. So on my test, the light goes on. Let me see if I can do just with one hand. Is really hard, but I'm gonna show you here. It's really hard to work with. Let me see. Right now the light is going on. Let me see if I can do it. Right there, you see. Sorry for working with one hand. So just this wire is getting power, but not the right side. So what I did, I cut it off, as you can see, and then I have it a wire as a jump cable from here to the other side where the brake light wire is. It's also on a number 4, and I'm gonna jump this cable from here to the other light, and that's gonna do the work. So that's how I figured to fix my left side brake light, because usually a lot of people, they post about both sides on at the same time, and that's the switch that needs to be replaced into the brake pedal. That is also adjustable, so like if it's too far from the brake pedal, the lights will go on, because BMW cars tending to be alert. There's a problem, and they don't want you to ride without the brake lights, so all the lights gonna go on if you have a problem on a brake pedal switch. So jumping a cable from the right side to the left side, that's how I'm gonna fix it, the problem right now, because I don't know why this wire is getting power from somewhere, and it's not from the brake pedal switch. And my light right here, the computer, is not bad. So right now I have extra battery, extra tail light, and extra switch. So I spent it about $100, and then if I just use a wire and jump, would had solved my problem.